Okay, Avleen, let's quickly move on to your speaking questions. So today also I'm gonna ask you some part one question, but I have few conditions for you that you have to use. आप मुझे एक बार अपने आंसर में एक बार एटलीस्ट एक बार सीक्वेंस देंगे, लाइक फर्स्टली सेकेंडली थर्डली या फिर फर्स्टली इन एडिशन टू फर्दर मोर। एक बार आपको ये आंसर में किसी ना किसी में बोलना है। सेकेंड, आप मुझे नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो का एक सेंटेंस देंगे थ्रू आउट योर आंसर्स, और एक बार आप मुझे एक कंडीशनल सेंटेंस देंगे। तीन चीजें हो गई। फोर्थ थिंग, आपको मुझे एटलीस्ट एक ईडियम देना है आज।
Okay.
चार चीजें बताई हैं, कंडीशनल सेंटेंस, नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो, सीक्वेंस एंड idiom.
Idiom.
Shall we get started?
Yes.
So, Avleen, the first question to you is, what snacks do you like to eat?
Actually, I'm a food enthusiast. So I really like to eat Italian and American cuisine.
But
And moreover, pizza is my favorite snack to eat.
okay. What snacks did you eat when you were young?
If I talk about my past days when I was small or young, then I used to eat burger a lot. The noodles burger was my favorite.
Amazing. What do you usually eat? Like, when do you usually eat snacks now?
Uh, Oftenly on the weekends, I prefer to eat snacks because that is the only day where I'm free from my work. So I go out to enjoy with my friends and have the different cuisines, like to eat the different cuisines.
Avleen, snacks का synonym क्या होगा?
Junk food or food.
Honestly, when it comes to weekend, I have a busy schedule. I do get some time on my weekends, and then only I would like to step out to have a bite or to grab something. Grab a bite, right?
Yeah.
Grab a bite, like bite is also a snack. मतलब एक तरीके से उसका synonym ही है. Do you think eating snacks are healthy?
As far as I'm concerned, I don't think so that the snacks are healthier for us, but because they consist of a lot of calories and the the sources or the ingredients are present in that nowadays are coming, which are not good for our health.
अवलीन, इस क्वेश्चन को मैं अगर मुझे सीक्वेंस यूज करनी है तो मैं कैसे यूज करूंगी? The question is, are snacks healthy? Don't you think it depends on the kind of snacks you are eating? Snacks are not only associated with junk food. Snacks are snacks. It could be a healthy snack also, right? For example, nibbling on a yoga bar, munching on some makhanas. These are also snacks, right?
Yes, yeah.
So why don't we start our answer by saying that it completely depends on two things. Firstly, what kind of bite somebody is grabbing, and secondly, it completely depends on what time somebody is eating. These two are the important factors which would decide whether it was healthy or unhealthy.
Yeah.
Can you please formulate the same answer in your own language? Do you think eating snacks are healthy? Use a sequence here, please.
It completely depends upon what kind of food we are eating. For example, if we talk about munching on our healthier snacks like makhanas, and moreover, if we if we have a bite on our burgers, pizzas, and all, so that I consider as unhealthier as compared to makhan.
Okay. What is the weather like when where you live? I mean, the question is, what is the weather like where you live?
I hail from a city in Punjab, so weather in my hometown cold, cold in the winters and hot in the summers.
Okay. Do you prefer cold or hot weather? Why?
Uh, honestly, from all the weather, cold weather is one of my favorite weather because I really like be to live inside at my home and be causes and moreover there are there are many food items which only available in winters, which I like the most, like in Manchurian soups and all. So that's why I would like this weather.
Do you prefer dry or wet weather? The question is, do you prefer dry or wet weather?
Okay. Mm, if I
Like,
talk about myself, I like rains a lot. Therefore, I I prefer the wet weather more.
okay. Do you get in the are you into habit of checking the weather forecast? If yes, when do you usually check it and how often do you check it?
Usually, when I have to go out on a trip or a long tour, I prefer to look upon the weather forecasting so that I can select the days and have a look upon the look upon the weather what is in that place or place so that I can schedule according to that. Uh,
So the problem is अभी भी अवलीन मुझे काफी क्वेश्चंस में ना पैराफ्रेजिंग मिल नहीं रही है जैसे वेदर फोरकास्टिंग को वेदर फोरकास्ट वेट वेदर को वेट वेदर हॉट एंड कोल्ड को हॉट एंड कोल्ड ही बोल रहे हैं हम so that would not fetch you a very good band मतलब 6.5 मिल जाएगा बट उससे ऊपर के बैंड्स नहीं मिलेंगे अवलीन
mhm.
जैसे स्नैक्स है स्नैक्स को हमें बार बार चेंज करना पड़ेगा दैट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स टू अचीव 7 और 7+ बैंड्स राइट
Okay, correct.
प्लस अभी भी देखो आप मुझे इडियम नहीं मिला द फैक्ट इज मैंने आपको बोला कि आपको नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो यूज करना है तब भी आपने नहीं यूज किया तो अवलीन अभी थोड़ी ना टेक्निकलिटीज पे हमें काम करना पड़ेगा like you have to
Yeah.
put yourself to use certain things कि मुझे कंडीशनल सेंटेंस यूज करना है तो करना है मुझे अगर नॉट ओनली बट मेक इट अ हैबिट फॉर योर सेल्फ दैट एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू स्पीक टू मी whenever I take your speaking interview no matter what you will be using not only but also you will be using a conditional sentence you will be giving me a sequence throughout your answer you will be giving me at least 1 to 2 idioms वो
Okay.
मैंडेट है
Just wait a minute.
विदाउट सेइंग मेरे
Arya, wait a minute.
हेलो
Just wait. Sorry, ma'am.